Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. I hope everybody is doing well today. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. It is day 5, so your special today, first grade, will be music. And today is our 7th day of school. So if you look, wrong side, if you look up here, we have our 10 frame, and we have how many on top, and we know that if the top is full, we automatically know that that equals 5, that's right. And so then instead of having to count them all, we can say 5 and then just count on 6, 7. So today is day 7. I also have our number bond down below updated with 7 being the whole and 5 is one of our parts. So can you think about what is the other part? Sorry about that phone call there. Can you think about what is the other part of 7? So we have 5, and if you said 2, you would be correct. I also added to our coins where we have 1 nickel, which is worth 5 cents, and then 2 pennies. So 5, 6, 7 cents. All right, very good. Today we are going to add on something to our morning routine, and that is doing the Pledge of Allegiance. That's something that we do in class, and I wanted to do it as part of our morning routine. So when we do the Pledge of Allegiance, we have the flag right there, and we're going to stand up, and you will put your right hand on over your heart. So we'll stand up, and you can stand up with me and say it. We can say it together. So, and I'll look to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, excellent. So today we have a great day planned. This morning, you will receive an activity through Seesaw that is going to help prepare you for our live lesson at 10 a.m. regarding rainbow fish. So we are going to learn and participate in something called a Socratic seminar. And there'll be a little video on the activity this morning explaining more about that. So you'll get that. And I'm still waiting to hear back about the star reading test. So once I learn anything about that, I will let everybody know, but we will just put a pause on that for right now. And sorry again for any confusion yesterday. I apologize that that happened. So I will keep you posted on STAR. And like I said, at our 10 a.m. class today, we will have our Socratic seminar, which you'll learn more about. And then I'm also going to teach you another app this morning that we will be using called Spelling City. And I think you'll really like it. And then you'll have a chance to practice using Spelling City after our 10 a.m. class. And then we'll meet again at 1 for math. And then you'll have your math following your math problems following our 1 p.m. class. So this morning, after you complete the Socratic seminar activity, which I said I'll explain, I explain all about that in the video. If you would like to try, if you haven't yet had a chance to try logging on to Zearn, the math app, the math site, where you have your username, password, and then there was a class code as well that it will ask you for once you log in. And all of that can be found on that tech cheat sheet that we emailed. If you want to try to log into that this morning as well and see, try the activity and see how that goes. And then one other thing, if you could have ready for our math this afternoon. In addition to your books that we've been using, the Practice and Learn workbook, if you could also please bring your dry erase sleeve that we sent home in the supply box and a dry erase marker. And I'm going to ask you to do one more thing this morning, and that is going to be to go back into your Learn book, the book with the blue spine and the L on it. And if you open up after our first lesson, there is a big number bond. And I think someone had asked about it yesterday, but there is a big number bond, and that is on page 7. If you could please, and if you need a grown-up to maybe help you out, if you could please tear that out. So these workbooks have what's called perforated pages, where you can, if you see, there's little dots along the edge where you can tear the page out. We won't tear most of the pages out. We'll just keep them in the book so they're all together in one place. But just this one page, it says Lesson 1 Template, and it's the big number bond. If you could just tear that out, and I like to just kind of hold my thumb up here, and then I'm trying to hold it up so you can see, slowly move my thumb down while I'm tearing it out. Maybe a grown-up could help you for the first time to tear this page out. And then once you've done that, so this is kind of what I do. I just kind of go like, you can't really see my arms in the way, and just pull it out. And then you'll have just this page out. And if you could do me a favor and slide it into the back side of your dry erase board, so that now, so I'm just sliding it in to my dry erase board, so that now you will be ready and have your own number bond template that you can write on and erase with a dry erase marker. And then we'll still have the blank white side to be able to write on. So if you could please do that this morning as well and have that, or sometime today before math, that would be great. All right, so as always, reach out with any questions. I hope you have a great start to your morning, and I will see you at 10. Thanks again.